Welcome to this introduction to security systems. My name is John Weston, and I am a technical trainer here at JTL, where I develop and define trade skills and industry standard practices for not only apprentices but also qualified electricians. This bite-sized course has been designed for you to help set up best practices for the installation of security systems. After completing this course, you'll have a clearer understanding of the system types, the components, and the wiring configurations typically used for installing security systems. You will also look at some of the standards and definitions required for security systems. This course has been produced to facilitate your learner journey towards continuing professional development and will steer you through to additional courses here at JTL. Whenever and wherever you are, this course has been designed with you in mind to make accessibility as easy as possible. This, alongside every course, can be used on your mobile, tablet and desktop devices. There are additional courses for your continuing professional development, such as our Smarter Homes and Inspection and Testing courses. For more information, please click on the relevant links and do sign up for the next suitable JTL course for you. You can come back here anytime with your unique access, should you need future reference points. You can like and subscribe through our various social channels and share the content among your community of electricians. We hope you enjoyed this course and look forward to seeing you again for future online CPD courses.